Takachiho Gorge, located in Miyazaki Prefecture, Japan, is an incredibly picturesque natural landscape. Imagine stepping into a postcard-perfect Takachiho Gorge, as if traveling through a tunnel of time and finding yourself immersed in a breathtaking panorama. Around Takachiho Gorge, you'll discover a lush forest. Towering trees envelop the gorge, adding an air of mystery and tranquility to the land. Leaves sway gently in the breeze, sunlight filtering through the foliage to cast dappled shadows, painting the entire gorge in a golden hue. Takachiho Gorge boasts its unique geological features, such as peculiar rock formations on both sides of the gorge, as if sculptures crafted by nature herself. Each formation exhibits the marvelous power and creativity of nature, shaped over millennia. Some rocks resemble giant footprints, while others resemble ancient castles, prompting awe at nature's craftsmanship. Standing at the edge of the gorge, watching the clear stream meander gently through, you'll sense its tranquil journey through the mountains, as if time slows down to a serene pace here. The murmuring stream seems to recount stories of centuries past, and you become a part of this tale. Stepping into the postcard-perfect Takachiho Gorge, you'll be awed by the wondrous works of nature and experience a profound sense of unity with the natural world. It's not just a tourist destination but also a sanctuary where the soul finds solace,